Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Shay with Pure Shade. And this week I'm going to do another unboxing and review for the brand Tote Carry. So you're going to see what I got in just a few minutes. So if you haven't seen my first Tote Carry unboxing and review, stop what you're doing right now and go check that out. I absolutely love my first purchase. So yeah, definitely check that out. It's absolutely beautiful. And Tote Carry, if you're listening and need some more brand ambassadors, please put me on the roster because I've gotten so many compliments, stopped by so many people from where I got this purse. And yeah, everybody has went and purchased it. So yeah, hey, if you're listening, go ahead and add me. And yeah, as you can see, my audio is a bit off. So yeah, it's not just you. Yeah, technical difficulties, but the show must go on. So here we go. We're going to jump right on into it. So my first, well, technically my second purchase, I'm going to pull it out and I'm going to use my handy dandy scissors because I'm not trying to fight it with my nails. I am not going to do that. So of course it comes in a cute carrying case, Tote and Carry. And what do you guys think I bought? It's the excitement in my face. I absolutely love this. It is a neon yellow fanny pack and it has some beautiful straps that it comes with. Check these straps out. Tote and Carry. Absolutely beautiful. Great purchase for the summertime. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put that aside and we're going to move on to my next purchase. I ended up getting the travel set. So of course, I'm using my scissors to open this up. And this also comes in its own carrying case as well. Tote and Carry, travel with luxury. So, what color do you think I got? I got burgundy. It's absolutely beautiful. You guys, the quality, the texture, this brand is absolutely phenomenal. Travel with luxury, you definitely are. I mean, look at it. It feels absolutely amazing. You got the Tote and Carry emblem on there. And now for my last item, the second half of my travel set. This one, I actually got the extra large duffel bag. And of course, it comes in the Tote and Carry travel case. And again, it's burgundy. Tote and Carry, y'all's marketing is absolutely phenomenal. They already give you a luggage tag. So, where we going, y'all? Where we going? Because I'm going somewhere looking luxurious in this travel with luxury travel set. So now we're going to open it up and look inside. And of course, it comes with a strap. So here's how both of the travel pieces look together. Don't they look absolutely phenomenal? Yes, again, where we going? Because we're going somewhere. And here's one more look at the neon yellow fanny pack. Don't be afraid to rock a little bit of color because I'm rocking this all summer long. And you already know they get a 10 out of 10 across the board. Absolutely phenomenal brand, great quality, great marketing. They are absolutely amazing. So if you have not purchased something from Tote and Carry, you need to stop what you're doing. Go ahead and log onto their website and purchase something for yourself. And you will see for yourself that this brand is absolutely phenomenal. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you, think naturally. Thank you guys again. Bye.